Are you looking to market your API to other agents without incurring the costs of integration and maintenance? Sell easy to set up travel software to agents with best deals and numerous different tools including OBT, B2B, white label solution and many more. Online booking tool. Allow your customers to book tickets and hotel rooms using your API. Cross-platform plugins. Cater to every kind of customer by offering solution for every site, whether it is WordPress, Joomla, Wix or even HTML5 pages. B2B solution. Allow your partners to employ agents by using our B2B solution. Affiliate solution. Let your partners sell affiliate programs to their customers with ease. Corporate booking tool. Authorize your customers to create a working, transparent and hassle-free relationship with their corporate clients. Mobile apps. Allow your partners to sell a personalized experience to their customers by creating an app. Would you like to find out the solution that best fits your business? Speak to our experts now.